Here's how to copy YouTube comments on mobile. Now open up the YouTube app on your iPhone or Android, and let's find a video with some comments. Let's say this one. Now, if I'm in this video and I wanted to copy the comments, you can see if I tap on the comments, I can press and hold on it, but it doesn't do anything allowing me to copy it. I'm not able to copy it directly in the YouTube app, unfortunately, but there is a workaround to be able to copy those comments. What we're going to do is hop out of here, and we're going to tap on the share icon instead, and then just choose to copy this link for this video. After you've done that, all you need to do is hop out of here instead, and we're going to open up a web browser. And let's just hit paste and go directly to this video. After you're in this video, let me just pause it real quick. I can tap on those comments, and now you'll be able to see the same comments. All I need to do is press and hold on here, and then I can drag my finger over and hit copy in the website-based version in Safari or Google Chrome. Works the exact same.